Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw step by step a haunted tree. It's a little bit scary, but I think you got this. Now, I've had to speed the video up ever so slightly, so if you fall behind, just pause it, get caught up, and then start it again. I think you're gonna like this. It's very sketchy and has a lot of life to it. All right, let's get to drawing. All right, let's get our haunted tree going here. We're gonna start off with two lines that are slightly. Now, remember, we're going to draw lightly here, so you want to keep your drawing as light as possible. And we've got two eyes, a little triangle. Keep this really loose. Keep it loose and keep it moving, okay? Big opening for the mouth. A rough place, just a quick little object for some stones. And a pumpkin. A couple pumpkins we're going to throw in here. So if I'm going too fast, if the drawing's moving too fast, stop it, pause it, take some breaks here and get caught up. I'm trying to keep this very loose. Keep it light and loose. Dropping in some quick indication of where the top of the leaves are going to go here. Now we're going to drop in another layer of leaves toward the back here. And then one more layer far in the back. And as you notice, as I get further back, the leaves lose their definition in a sense. So as I'm developing these eyes, I'm just thinking of like the brow is coming down so it looks mean and angry. And then we're going to drop some kind of shapes in here, maybe to indicate bags under his eyes, almost like he's a very old tree. And once again, if it's going too fast, because I had to speed up the drawing, just pause it and get caught up until you're comfortable, and then start it up again. Adding some surface lines here to the top of the tree to get it a sense that it's going back in space. And I'm just keeping my lines as loose as possible. It's gonna make it look really come to life. Whoa, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this. Yep, indicating some branches here, adding some surface lines. Don't be bothered by the speed that I'm going here. Just pause the video, get caught up. I had to speed it up because we got a lot to cover here in 5 minutes. Okay, look at this pumpkin here. Now, if you notice, I've placed the eyes toward the top of the pumpkin, so he continues to look down at us, almost like he's in judgment. Indicating some teeth in this scary oak tree. A rock maybe up front here. Maybe some roots coming toward the forefront. And then another pumpkin way in the back. This is a perfect time to pause the video. So what you want to do here now, this should be the basis of your drawing. If you look to the left, you could see I have the final drawing there, And all that's left now that you've got this basic structure, is to darken your lines and then move into coloring if that's what you want to do. But to give this a real natural feel, you wanted to keep it loose. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to our next drawing together. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.